Hello everybody, this is Mr. Mango Head again with ATL PC Masters, and this video today is going to be talking about Windows 8 in one way to make you like it just a little bit more. I started using Windows 8 when it was in its beta form, and it allowed us to check it out, see how we like it, and I thought it was pretty interesting. It kind of felt like Windows 7. But the first thing that I was aware of was the first thing everybody was aware of, and that was these squares. And I will tell you that these squares here take some getting used to. You have a lot of apps here, and these squares here represent every program I have installed, every app I have installed, and I love the app feature. I really do. I can click Netflix, boom, and it comes up like an app. So I think it's really awesome. I can click, here's an app, comics, boom, comic books come up, boom, hey, there's Superman. So apps are awesome. However, a lot of people want it that when they click desktop and they're here and they go to hit the Windows key or they hit the start button, they want it to come to the desktop. I did not want, they didn't want to come to the desktop. They wanted to come to the start menu. They did not want to come to these squares. These squares were different. Now, you may, Windows 8 has been out for some time. You may be used to the squares now. However, you may not. Or you just may have a preference that you want your start menu. Well, today, I'm going to be showing you one way, and I'm pretty sure that there are many. I'm pretty sure that Windows 8.1 came out and did something that was supposed to help you out with that and all that great stuff that I know some people is going to comment about. But this is what I did immediately when I was introduced to Windows 8, and this is what I stuck with. So, here we go. Let's go ahead and click Chrome, because that's the browser I like to use. And I'm going to open up a new window. So let's go. My favorite website, www.nite.com. Yes, we're back here. I've done a video here on Nanite, and or is it Nanite? I have no idea. Or is it Nanite? I don't know. But catchy little name, no one's ever confused when I'm talking to them about the name. So, but anyway, I digress. The purpose of coming here is the utilities section. I got all my browsers, and I got all my programs, and I got all my all that stuff. Steam, everything, I got it, we're good. But I'm coming down to the utilities. So, see that little bottom cutesy pie right there, classic shell? You're going to check that box right there. And I keep calling it Classic Shell because that's the name of the program, and that's what you're going to see in your I believe your program files. But I think they changed the name to Classic Starts. But it's a shell. That's what these call it. So I'm not just saying some random word. So I'm gonna, I've selected Classic Start, and I'm gonna click Get Installer. Now that I've done that, as you can see, get an installer, next. Now, normally in descriptions, I put the website that you go to when you have a program. And I never took the time to learn where Classic Start website came from. So this is where I come. I'm not going to put its web address in the description. But back to Nanite, installing no third-party programs, no toolbars. Gotta love that. And had I chosen more than one program, guess what? It would install that too. Awesome, gotta love it. download it, it's installed, it's done. Now, let's go and see what we got. Boom, I have a start menu again. When I boot Windows, boom, it's bringing me back here. When I hit the Windows key on the keyboard, which ain't working right now, I don't know why, because my keyboard's on crack, but boom, there we go. Now I'm going to right click it itself, and it goes to a classic start menu. So I'm going to go to the settings. In the settings, you have choice with the 2-column setup, where you click the programs, and it's going to bring you the list of programs in another little menu. And then you have the Windows 7, where everything's in one long scrolly list, and you click the item, and it's going to give you another list inside of that, where everything you got a scroll base. Personally, I hate the scroll base. I like the classic 2-column feature. You can customize your start menu button, make it say start, make it look like that. As you can see, this is what mine looks like, and I'm happy with that. You can back up your settings. Oh, there's a website, www.classicshell.net. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to click it and see what happens. Boom. Here it is. Boom. More features. So, classic menu, classic explorer. Ah, I like that. I like that. See, I just learned something today. That's what I love about me trying to show you something. I end up learning myself. So, this is Classic Shell website. I'll go ahead, I'm going to close that and come back here. I'm going to make sure it's on classic 2-column. I'm going to click OK, and that's what we have. When I reboot the computer, it's going to bring me here to my desktop. Now, if I want to go back to the squares just to go to an app or something, there's a start screen there. Boom! Look at my apps. Boom. I want to go to, I keep saying boom like I'm Emerald Lagasse or something. But anyway, eBay app, you know, everything's right here for you. You can go back, but when I bring my mouse back down here, oh, actually I got to click desktop to go back. Look, right here, boom. There you go. So, recap, Classic Shell, free. Classic Start, whatever you want to call it. www.classicshell.com. If you want to get it directly from the source, or if you're doing a batch install of multiple programs at the same time, a site that I love almost more than anything, Nanite.com. You can get the Classic Start. You can get your runtimes, your Java, your Flash, all that in one place. One-stop shopping. No toolbars, no third-party programs. Gotta love that. This is Mr. Mango Head again. Thank you for watching. If I have been helpful at all, please like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends, tell your mama. Please tell your mama, because if you don't, she's going to call you and tell you to come do it for her. All right, signing off. You have a good day.